I have here an air fryer. Comes with 2 different sizes to air fry. Comes with instructions. Comes with 2 different lids, so you can store it in the fridge if you don't finish what you make. So you can see it comes apart easily, so it'll make it a lot easier to wash. This piece just goes down inside here. This piece just sits right on top when you're ready to cook. So this one is the bigger one. It's the same. It has a middle in here. The only difference is if you want to get this glass piece off, there's a little piece right here you have to pull back, and you can see it lifts up so you can get this piece off. So the lids fit nicely. If you need to use them, you can take it off the base and put it in the fridge. So this lid is a snap lid. You just have to take it and snap the 4 sides. So to use it, all you have to do is take it and set it right on top of it, just like this. And if you want to use a smaller one, you just take it right here, pull it off like this, and then set it on the small one. So it's going to be really easy to change from the 2 different sizes. We put some fries in here to air fry, and now we're going to put the lid on so we can start cooking. So now you can push the power button and you can cycle through the different presets and decide if you want it, what temperature and how long you want to set it. So it's going to be really easy to start it and get ready to go. So right here is the menu. So right now it's on max crisp, and then we got air fry, we got bake, and then recrisp. So you can just cycle through and pick what you want. I'm going to try the max crisp right here, and then I can decide which temperature I want next. So you can leave it on the presets, or you can change it. If you go down, you can see it's going to change the temperature. You click it again, it will change how long you want it set for. So just depending on what you want to do. And then once you've got it all ready, you can push start. So a really fun function is it is glass, so you can see right through it, so you can watch it cook and make sure it's cooking correctly in case you need to add more time or take time off. So a really fun function is if you take the lid off, it will automatically turn off. You turn it, put it back on, it will automatically restart where you had it. So this is 95% less oil when you use with this, so it's going to be more healthy for you and it's going to be really easy to use. So this does have overheat protection. It will power off automatically if the temperature goes above 464 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's a nice safety feature that it has. So this glassware is secure. You can see it has a nice stand. The glass is going to get hot, so just be cautious of that. But that's why it has this nice cover around it, so it will protect the area it's cooking on. So it's going to work really well, and we're going to watch the fries finish cooking. So now the fries are done. It was really helpful to see through it in case I needed to add time or take time off of it. So now we can take the lid off, set it down, and take the fries out. So the fries are going to be hot, so get something that will help you get them to show you. They're going to be nice and crispy. If you want them softer, just cook them less, but they didn't burn. They crisped them up nicely, so now we can eat them. So this air fryer is really nice, super easy to use. It's gonna be great to use with my family and my kids to make fun, quick, easy little meals. I love the 2 different sizes. And if you have leftovers, you have the great lids that you can put right directly on top. Just take the bottom piece out. So it's gonna be really helpful to have in your kitchen if you want something nice to cook with and you don't have to use lots of oils to cook up your foods.